Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Thomas Fross here with Fross and Fross Wealth Management, where we attempt to be the voice of reason in a world full of the pundits of pessimism and that huge wall of worry. As always, please make sure you read the disclosures that were attached to this video, or if you happen to be watching on social media, you can simply go to www.frossandfross.com and read any of the disclosures that you might find therein. So most people, they don't like to be worried. They don't like to be scared unless it's Halloween season. And then it seems like they love it. They get dressed in scary outfits. They watch scary movies. They might go to scary amusement parks. But when it comes to the stock market, most people don't value the wall of worry. But the fact is, the markets climb the wall of worry every single day. So there's always something out there to scare investors. And we're not immune to this. We understand that today investors may feel like that wall is unusually tall, given the stiffening headwinds facing the economy, including the effects of interest rates that have gone much higher, extremely dysfunctional government that looks more and more likely to allow a mid-November government shutdown. And of course, we've got two wars going on overseas, and then the S&P 500 now entering correction territory, meaning that it's dropped at least 10% from its recent high. But on the flip side, we expect that the strong job market, cooling inflation, and the eventual end of the Fed funds rate hike, stable interest rates, and growing corporate profits, we expect these items to help stocks overcome these worries and keep this young bull market going. We also believe that the macroeconomic environment and seasonal tailwinds will provide hopefully just enough support for stocks to move modestly higher for the balance of the year. Though we don't expect that path to be smooth, we expect it to be bumpy. We still expect that that's possible. It could happen throughout the end of the year. I'm often reminded of one of my favorite investors' quotes of all time, Sir John Templeton. He had this quote. He said, "Bull markets are born on pessimism, they grow on skepticism, they mature on optimism, and they die on euphoria." And how true he was, because generally bull markets are born when most people it's least likely. When most people are pessimistic at their absolute rock bottom, that's when bull markets begin to occur. He also said that the four most dangerous words in investing are "this time is different," meaning investors need to be wary of assuming that current market conditions and trends will persist indefinitely. And Mr. Templeton put his money where his mouth was. According to Mr. Templeton, he called his broker the day that World War II broke out. Now just imagine having the guts to do that. Talk about a wall of worry. And he instructed his broker to begin making purchases of equities. His strategy helped him become one of the wealthiest men of all time. So it's a good reminder, once again, bull markets are born on pessimism. They continue to grow on skepticism. They mature when most people are optimistic, and they die when most people are euphoric. Where are we right now in the cycle? Well, most people are pretty pessimistic right now. And while we don't make any short-term predictions on where the market is going, there are enough tailwinds also that we hope can counteract the headwinds of the economy. And then one last comment that I'd like to make is that we're not perma-bulls. If a client thinks that the world is coming to an end, we have a portfolio for you. You're very optimistic, we also have a portfolio for you. Anywhere in between, it's the reason in front of our office is the bear and bull statue, because we have to manage money for both bull and bear markets, not just one of those. Most of our clients are also unaware that we can offer CDs, and we're seeing CD rates well in excess of 5%. So if you're looking for a conservative place to put assets, well, we have you taken care of there as well. Ladies and gentlemen, be safe, and we look forward to seeing all of you very soon. Have a wonderful day.